Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video, we are doing a product review of the new Catrice eman. Catrice times, oh, eman, that's a person, a YouTuber. I don't know who this person, but I remember seeing that now. So congratulations. Anyways, we are going to be reviewing this palette. It is the only eyeshadow. There's 3 palettes, but the other 2 were blush, I'm sure, and highlight. They were not, this was the only eyeshadow palette. So this is the palette. There we go. So there are the colors. And it does have a mirror in it too for a Catrice palette. This was $12 at Ulta. So let's get started. I also have some other new products that we're gonna I have some more products new to me that I purchased that we're gonna try out too, and so I'm gonna tell you about them now, and then because I'll forget. Anyways, I got a mascara. This one is a cult favorite, I believe. It is the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect. So we're gonna try this one out because I'm looking for a really good mascara. Preferably a drugstore one, and I don't know how much it was. I don't remember. I also have 2 brow products here. Jam Beauty 89, Jessica Braun said this is her absolute favorite. It is the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow in brunette, and then I got the NYX Micro something or other. Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil in taupe. So I figured I'd do the inner part with the lighter color and the outer part with the brunette, because my eyebrows, I know you guys think I probably should have lighter eyebrows, but I don't. They're dark. They're really dark. I just don't have a lot of them. So I have to go with a darker color. Besides the fact that when you get older, your eyebrows get lighter, so you want them to be darker there. I also have a lip product. This is the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon, and I have it in the color Lead the Way. It's really pretty. It's mauve, and I will try that. And I got a gloss. This is a Flower Beauty. This is the Petal Pout Lip Mask. It says Soothing Lip Treatment with a Kiss of Color. And this is the color Nectar. It's kind of a peachy pink. But I have to tell you, I mean, look at it. See how far I had to turn it up? This was all the way down here. And that's how far I had to turn it up before anything came out. So, just saying, might be a ripoff. I don't remember how much it was, though. So, let's get started, now that I've complained enough. And I haven't even tried it yet. Let's start with our Essence Eye Base. Because you know I love my Essence Eye Base. Even though it's getting really low. But I have a backup. Let's see, what are we going to go in with first? We're going to go in with this color right here. Oh, they have names. Fairfax. We're going to go in with Fairfax and just cover the primer that I just put on. Ooh, they're very powdery. Look at the kickback on that. Okay, let's go in for the crease. Let's see, Malibu is shiny. I guess we're going to go into Sunset for our transition color because it is matte. So, let's do that. I'm using, this is my Morphe 505. For my transition, and it's Sunset is this second color right here. And I went a lot lighter on the pan so I didn't get so much kick of it. It's probably my fault on the last one that I got so much. And I'm just going into the crease and then above. And then about halfway across the lid. Okay, now I want to go in with, I really want to go in with this bronze. Yeah, I think I'm going to go in, going to switch to this, and I'm going to use this. It's called Laguna, this very center color. It's a bronzy, sparkly bronze. And I'm using my E45 from Sigma. And I'm going to put it in the crease. And on the outer half of the lid. Actually, I'm going to put it all on the outer half of the lid. Oh, lots of fallout. It's very sparkly. I think I'm going to wet my brush. I don't know if I even have enough Fix Plus in here to use. Let's just use something else. Let's use Milani. Now I'm going to put it in the crease and the outer half of my lid. It's very pretty, but it just had a ton of fallout. It's pretty. It's really pretty, but it does have a lot of fallout. I think I'm going to turn it into a halo. And then I'm going to go into this gold color for the center. So I'm going to get some of this on my brush. Spray it. And then just put it right in the center. Just so we can use more colors. That's pretty. Let's move on to eyeliner. I'm going to use my Maybelline Tattoo Studio Gel Liner in Onyx. And I'm going to push line. Now I take a flat brush. This is my Morphe 432, M432, and it is just a flat brush. and I spread out that liner that I just put between my lashes. And I kind of pull it up a little bit. Sometimes I'll add a liquid line, sometimes not. It's kind of a dramatic eye, so I think I am going to add a liquid liner. I'm going to use my rollerball, the black one. All right, we're going to try this new false lash effect. Although I don't know that first time use is really a good test, because sometimes they just need to dry out a little bit and they're better later. I mean, it would be awesome if it was awesome the first time, but you know, it's not. Hopefully, after a couple more coats and a couple more curls, it'll be better. Okay, we're gonna let that dry and then we're gonna do it again. For now, we're gonna do the brows. And I am going to start off with this. This is the LA Girl. I don't know when my thing stopped, so I'm just gonna repeat it. The LA Girl Shady Slim Brow in brunette, and it is Gem Beauty's favorite. So we're just gonna brush them up, and I'm gonna start on the outer part with this darker color. Kind of patchy. Definitely not my favorite. Now let's put the NYX, the lighter one, in the center. This is NYX Micro Brow and Top. And I'm just going to put it in the center and kind of go over to blend the two. Yeah, I kind of think I like this one better. Maybe I'll get the brunette in this one too and do this, because I'm not really loving this LA Girl one. It's kind of patchy. Okay, it's probably just not a good brow day, right? Okay, let's go back in with some more mascara. Let's curl them again. This time I'm going to put it on the bottom also. All right, let's do our lips while we wait. I'm going to use this new one I got. This is the Super Stay from Maybelline, the ink crayon. And this is the color Lead the Way. Well, that's pretty. And it's comfortable. It kind of feels like a liquid lip, but it's not super dry like a liquid lip. Let's try it with our Petal Pout from Flower on top of it. Oh, this is thick. It's nice. So, what do you guys think? I don't like the brow products. I can tell you that. I like my other brow products better. They're too thin. The palette, I love. It's beautiful. I think the eyeshadows are beautiful. So, I definitely give this a thumbs up. The mascara, it looks really good now. Hopefully, the messiness will go away. So, I'm going to give it a thumbs up with a question mark. Because we're going to keep trying it. I like the lips. The lip glosses are great. I mean, the lip gloss and the lip color is good. It might be a little pink just because of the matching. I probably should have got the orangey one. But this was called Nectar. No, it wasn't. This was called Nectar. Never mind. I dropped it. Okay. I think that was everything, right? Yep. Didn't like the brow products. Both of them get a thumbs down from me. And that's everything I used. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave if you haven't already, and hit that little notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!